This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying material and testing a small hidden area. This tells you how aggressive the cleaner can be. Once done, wipe lenses with a microfiber and mild soap to remove oils. Next, apply a tiny amount of isopropyl 70% on a cotton swab and rub a concealed frame or lens edge for 20-30 seconds. Make sure to watch for discoloration, cracking, or coating lift so you don't damage the specs further. Once you confirm the test is safe, remove visible dye with repeated short passes. Rub isopropyl on stained areas with moderate pressure for 30-60 seconds and recheck. If pigment persists on plastic frames, make a baking soda paste and rub in circular motions to abrade the surface gently. This removes surface dye. Make sure to avoid coated lenses and metal joints. Once the color fades, rinse with water and mild soap, then dry with a clean microfiber. To finish, buff frames and lenses with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of plastic polish to restore shine. Apply polish sparingly and wipe in even strokes. If you notice lens coating lift, cracking, or clouding at any stage, stop immediately and seek a professional repair or replacement because home solvents can worsen damage. Finally, make sure to prevent retinting by avoiding harsh chemicals, storing specs cool, and using lens-safe cleaners going forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.